Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. This is Jitavo. This is the second part of the AutoCAD tutorial for Civil Engineering series. In the first part, we have completed the column layout plan of the G+2 residential type building using AutoCAD 2018. And in this part, we will create the ground floor plan, the basement actually. So those who didn't watch the first part, I have provided the link for them below in the description section. So watch the video first and then come to this one. So what we have is the column layout plan. So we will copy all the columns from here for creating the ground floor plan, and for that I'll turn a few layers off. So click here and click on the bulb icons as shown to turn the layers off. Turn the text, grid and the dimension layer off. Then select all the columns as shown, type CO and press enter, and then copy and place it at a blank space. Then you can turn all the layers on again. Now I'll create the outer wall. So create the wall layer and set it to current layer. Then type L and press enter. Take 1225 units extension downwards from the endpoint snap as shown. Make sure the object snap extension is turned on. Press function KF11 to turn it on. Then click at the snaps as shown. This is 1225 mm downwards, 250 mm towards left, as that's the wall thickness. Then click at this snap, move upwards, type 100 and press enter. Then click at this perpendicular snap, always zoom in, otherwise there will be some probability that you will click at some other snap. Then just follow and complete the outer wall as shown. Now repeat line tool. Take this snaps extension downwards and this snaps extension towards right, and then click at the intersection of both the extensions. Then take this endpoints extension downwards as shown. Now this length is 500 and this collapsible gate is of 1400 mm width. So move the cursor towards right, type 500 and press enter. Move the cursor upwards, type 250 and press enter. Move towards left and click at this endpoint snaps extension downwards as shown. Then simply follow the steps and complete this wall. Always press enter or escape key to exit from the line command or any other command. Now I'll select this wall and mirror it to the other side. So I'll select it by green window selection as shown. In doing so, I have selected the two columns as well. So select the columns while pressing shift key in the keyboard to deselect this. Now type MI and press enter. Click at the midpoint snap as shown and click somewhere downwards and press enter to mirror the wall. Now I'll assign hatch to the wall. So set the wall hatch layer as the current layer. If you haven't created the layer, then create it first. Then type H and press enter. Select the solid hatch pattern. Then click inside this wall as shown. Okay, don't worry. Whenever you see an error message like this, just press enter to exit from the hatch command and then retry. So repeat hatch command by pressing enter or just right click. Okay, error pops again, so retry. This sort of error happens while using hatch command, so there is nothing to worry about. So the hatch has been assigned successfully to the wall. I'll show you an important setting by which you can draw very quickly. I always use that. I always use right click in place of enter key in the keyboard. For that you have to go to options, type OP and press enter. Go to user preference tab, click on right click customization and then turn this time sensitive right click on, then just apply. In doing so you will be able to work very quickly and efficiently. Now I'll create the staircase. So set the stairs layer as the current layer. Then type L and press enter. Zoom into this part. Then take 1150 units extension downwards from the endpoint snap as shown. Then draw a 1200 mm length line towards left and then right click to exit from the line command. Then type O and press enter to offset. Specify the offset distance as 250 units. Press enter. Select this line. Click on multiple in the command line. Then just click downwards as shown to create 10 offsets. And then right click to exit from the offset command. Then type L again and press enter and draw the line as shown and always right click to exit from any command. Now I'll mirror these lines to the other side. So type MI and press enter. Select all the lines as shown, press enter again. Then click at the two endpoint snaps as shown and then right click to mirror. Now I'll assign hidden line to this side of the stair. So I have created a layer named stair hidden and assigned hidden type to the line type. So select these lines. Then click on stair hidden layer and press escape to assign hidden line to this side. So this has been done successfully.